Hello all, welcome to Technostack. In the section of working with Python, today we are going to start with conditional statements. So in this video, we are only going to see the first conditional statement, that is if statement. We'll be continuing in the successive sequence of videos, different type of conditional statements and their uses. Okay, so if statement generally has um, this type of syntax, that if and then you put the condition and then you put colon. I'm just giving you the syntax for now, and then you um, run the statement over here if the condition is true. Okay, so this is the basic syntax of if condition. So what you have to take care over here is first you have to write the if keyword, and then you have to give the condition, and then without forget in Python we put a colon. Unlike other programming languages, we don't have to enclose the condition within braces or brackets, round brackets. We can just write it condition as it is, and then we have to put a colon over here. What we have to take care is whatever we write with the indent over here, with a tab or indent over here, will be considered inside if condition, and whatever comes outside over here, this will be outside if condition. Okay, so indentation is very important in Python, just so you take care about it. So this is, I'll just put it over here in comments so that you can use it if you are taking any notes. So this is syntax of if. Okay. I'll be discussing theory points also consecutively. So if you want to take notes, it is very easy for you afterwards to understand what actually we did over here. Keeping the video short is only because so that each and everything is understood perfectly. So let's start with the if condition. I'll be giving you one example of if condition. So let's just say I'm taking any variable x and I'm giving it a value 5. Okay, and now what I'm doing is I'll be using the condition over here. So I'll just say that if I directly put the condition over here. So if x is greater than, okay, so if x less than, let's say we want to make it true. Okay, so if x is less than or equal to 10, then print. As you can see over here, just a second. As you can see over here, it is directly taking the indentation. You don't have to give at the first place. So just what error we made, we just have to put a colon over here without forgetting that. As you can see, it directly takes the indent, so you don't have to give while you're using IDE. But if you're using any text editor and you have not saved the program yet, so if the editor doesn't know that you are using Python, so it is better that if you put a tab over here so that it knows that you have indented it. So what we have to print over here is that number is less than or equal to 10. Okay, so this is what I want for my if condition. Now we just want to see, okay, let's just run first this and then I'll show you the differences over here. So okay, so 5 is less than or equal to 10, so it print the number is less than or equal to 10. Now what if I change the condition to if x is greater than or equal to 10? Okay, so we'll just run it and see if it works. So see, the program is interpreted successfully as the syntax has no syntactical error, but as we have not given any else condition, so this condition is false, and by default it will not print anything that is under if, and it will end the program. Okay, so now what we are doing is over here, I'll put a print statement over here saying it's the end of the program outside if condition. Okay, so what we are doing is we are seeing that if we remove the indentation, this print statement will be considered as being outside the if condition. Okay, so let's just run and see. The shortcut of running a program in the main.py inside PyCharm ID is Shift plus F10. So if you want to remember, you can remember it. So here you can see that the condition is false. So it will come out of the if condition and it will print the last print statement that we have given over here, that is end of the program outside of if condition. Okay, so this is how you use if statements. even in your, if anywhere in your program, if you just want to check for a condition where you only need the output if the condition is true, then you use if statement. If you want consecutively selection between two things, like if I want to see, it's similar to the thing that if I want to buy one thing, I'll just put an if condition that if I have money, I will buy this thing. But what if I have a certain amount of money and I don't know what amount of money I have in my purse, and I'll decide in my mind, okay, that if I have 5 rupees, then I'll buy this thing. If I have less than 5 rupees, I'll buy another thing. Okay, then we use if else condition. But right now only if the statement is true we have to check, so we will be using if in such type of examples. So thank you for watching this video. Please stay tuned for more such content to Technostack. Also do like, share and subscribe our channel, and stay tuned till the entire end of the series as I post new videos every time. So stay tuned. Thank you.